Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing the LuxeBox for June 2020. And if you don't know what LuxeBox is, they are owned by the same company as TopBox. And if you don't know what TopBox is, then you should watch some of my videos on TopBox. In short, TopBox is a monthly beauty and makeup subscription that costs $15 a month, and LuxeBox is a quarterly subscription that costs $29 a month, and you get 7 to 8 deluxe or sometimes full-size items. I believe that they are only available in Canada and they offer free shipping across the country. Because the box is called Luxe, I'm assuming I will be receiving high-end luxury products. And this is actually my first Luxe box, so I'm excited to see what we have inside. Every month, the box arrived in the same black box as the top box. I was a little annoyed that this box is a little damaged, but I will be okay as long as the item inside are still okay. Inside the box is a white box with the word LuxeBox at the top. This box seems jam-packed with items, so I will try my best to speed through this box. The first item in the box is this Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2 Serum, which retails for $125 for the 50ml at Sephora. And the little sample I have works out to be $17.50, which is a pretty good price. I actually already received this serum in my June top box, but I am happy to receive another one. The next item I have here is the Medusa Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Shag. This retails for $11.95 according to their website. This is a coral pink color liquid lipstick, and I'm currently obsessed with coral color, so I can't wait to give this a try. Then we have the Laritzy liquid eyeliner. This retails for $22 US on their website, which converts to about $29.80 Canadian. The third item I have is the SmashBox Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer, which retails for $50 on the Sephora website for 1 fluid ounce. And the sample size I have here, which is 0.24 fluid ounce, works out to be $12. I don't need any more primer, but this is a good travel size, but I don't think I'm going to be going anywhere anytime soon. Now moving on to the next item I have here is the African Black Soap Soothing Body Lotion, which on their website retails for $9.99 for 349 grams. And the one that was sent to me is 91 gram, which works out to be $2.60. I don't have any comments on this, but since I received it, I will use it. The next item I have in the box is a Morgan Taylor nail polish. This retails for $15.83. This is actually a pretty dark red metallic color with silver and radiant gold semi-precious stone that is finely milled. This is a pretty color for fall. The last item I have in the box is from Pure Cosmetics. This is the Refine and Perfect Loose Finishing Powder, and it is a full-size product. It is about $40 US. When converted to Canadian, it is about $54.20. I did receive an email asking me if I wanted to add on an extra $10 for a beauty surprise, and this beauty surprise is usually anywhere from 20 to 90% off of the original product. So I did spend the extra $10 on the beauty surprise, and the mystery product I received is a makeup palette from Pure Cosmetics. This is their Studio Collection eyeshadow palette, which retails for $40, which isn't too bad considering I only paid $10 for this palette. This palette does contain a nice variety of shade ranging from matte to shimmer. There is multiple looks that you can create with this palette. So this box cost me $29, which is almost double the price of TopBox, and I don't know how I feel about it. So let's go over the price and I will give you my thoughts. So there are a total of 7 items in the box. The first item we have was the night serum for $17.50, then the liquid lipsticks for $11.95, the eyeliner, which costs $29.80, and the SmashBox primer for $12. Then we have the nail polish for $15.83 and the body lotion for $2.60, and the Pure Cosmetic finishing powder for $54.20. So the total value of this entire box is $143.88. In addition, there was a $10 beauty surprise, which is worth $40. I would say that my favorite item in the box is the Estée Lauder Night Serum, and all the other products in the box are something that I will end up using in the future. I just don't know how I feel about this box. There's nothing that really stands out for me, and I'm not overly excited about receiving the other items I've received, and I could also pass on spending the extra $10 on this makeup palette as I don't need any more. If you are interested in signing up for the LuxeBox, I will leave a link in the description box below. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the LuxeBox and what's your favorite item. Also, will you be spending $29 quarterly on this subscription? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.